Hello guys, welcome to IT Techie. Today we will going to see how to create VPC. Okay, under that VPC we will create subnets and other things, and then we will create the Ec2 instance under the private subnet. And from private subnet we will check that whether we are able to connect with the internet or not. Okay, let's go and we'll start now. Let's see here. You can see that once you log in into the AWS console, you have to go here and you have to search it VPC. Okay, and then you have to click it here in this VPC here. So I have clicked now. Here you can see that what region we have selected North Virginia regions. Okay, so under these regions we have 6 availability zone. Okay, so each zone we have a one subnet. You can see, so 6 availability zone we have, so 6 subnet is also there. So each region we have one VPC. You can see one VPC, 6 availability zone. Under the 6 availability zone we have 6 different subnet. Okay, and then we have one default routing tables, and also we have default internet gateway. You can see. Let's start now. Here you have to select click on your VPC here. Let's click on that. Okay, and let's go and create your VPC. So I am creating my VPC now. Give your VPC name, my VPC. Okay, and then you can mention your CIDR 10.0.0.0 and slash what we can take 16. You can say it's game. Now here tenancy, under tenancy we can keep as is default. Okay, if you want you can select the dedicated, but it will be a costly for you. So okay, so I'm just going with the default one. Let's click on this create VPC. Okay, now we have successfully created VPC. You can see now here is on. This is our VPC and this is the default one. Okay, this is our VPC, my VPC. Okay, now here you can see this is we have assigned our CIDR, right? Now let's go and create a subnet. Okay, let's click on create subnet. Okay, so before that I want to show you here what lab we are doing it. You can see this lab we are going to perform now, and currently we are performing the same lab. Okay, you can see this is Amazon platform. Under that we have created a public subnet, and this is our internet gateway, right? Okay, now we are creating subnet now. So let's select your VPC. I am selecting. Okay, and it's once you select your own VPC, it will by default it will come here CIDR, right? So it's game. Now you can give your subnet name. We'll give the subnet name. Okay, so my subnet I will give. Okay, so this lab means exactly in the AWS platform we are creating the VPC. Under this VPC we are creating the one public subnet. Okay, and from this public subnet we are connected with internet. Okay, so that normal lab, basic lab, we are just doing it now. Now once you given your name, subnet name, then we will select our under what region you want to create your subnet. So I'm just selecting 1A region. Okay, I'm selecting. Now here CIDR, you can see guys, earlier we have given for VPC 10.0.0.0/16. Now here what CIDR we have to give 10.0.0.0 slash. So from 24 to 28 we can give anything here. Okay, but I'm just giving by default 25. Okay, now let's go and click on create subnet. Okay, now you can see that we have successfully created subnet. Okay, now let's go and create an internet gateway. So let's go and click on internet gateway. Let's click on create internet gateway. Give your name, internet gateway name. I'm giving my internet gateway. Okay, IGW. Let's click on create internet gateway. Okay, so we have successfully created our internet gateway. You can see guys. Okay, so now let's go and associate. So currently it is showing that it is detached mode. We have to attach to a VPC. Okay, so right now I'm not attaching. I will show you next what issue will come if you are not attaching this internet gateway to a VPC. Okay, let's wait for some time. Now let's go and click create a routing tables. Let's click on routing table. Now click on create route table. Give your route table name. I'm giving my RT, that is my routing table, and now I'm selecting my VPC. Okay, and now create the routing table. So now guys, you can see four things we have done till now. We have created VPC, we have created subnet, we have created route tables, and we have created internet gateway. Okay, now here you can see guys, we have subnet association. So let's go and let's go there and edit the subnet association. Let's edit that, and you can select your subnet here. So it makes sure that we have to associate the routing table with subnet. Okay, we have to associate that. Let's go and click on save association. Okay, now let's go. We have to give the internet, right? We have to this subnet supposed to reach to internet, so let's give that path, internet path. So I am adding that 0.0.0.0/0. Okay, so it means anywhere it will go, and here we have to go internet. We have to select internet gateway. Internet gateway, guys, you can see now it is not coming our VPC. Okay, because that VPC it is not attached. Now let's go and attach that internet gateway. We did not attach with VPC, due to that it is not coming, guys. So now I am showing you now. Let's wait. Let's click on this internet gateway. So guys, you can see the selected one, it is detached, right? Due to that here it is not coming. Here it is not coming that. So now what I do, I need to attach this internet gateway with a VPC. So now let's select here and click on attach to a VPC. Now here we have to select our VPC and attach the internet gateway. Let's click on that. Here we have successfully attached. Now we can see here. Now let's select the internet gateway. Here is on, guys. Earlier it was not coming. Now it's came, right? Let's select that and click on save changes. Okay. Now all those things from VPC perspective, everything is done. Okay. Now we will go to launch the Ec2 instance. Let's click. Let's search here Ec2 instance, and I hope everybody knows that. Now let's create Ec2 instance. Click on launch instances. Click on I'm just creating the Amazon Linux machine, okay, which is 64-bit. Let's click on select. I'm using the free tier eligible, you can see. And let's click on the configure instance details. If you are not aware how to create Ec2 instance, guys, please watch my previous video. I have shown everything in that. Let's click on configure instance details. And now here we have created our own VPC, right? So under this network we have to select our own VPC. I have selected. Then we have created our subnet under the availability zone 1A. So it is came default 1A, right? And then here auto assign public IP, we have to select we have to enable it. It means whatever the network which we selected, it will create this instance under that network. Okay. Now let's click on add storage. Okay, don't touch it, make it as is. And now click on add tags. Give your tag name. Since we are creating this VPC server, so let's give that VPC name, VPC server. Okay, and now click on this configure security group. Okay, now no need to change anything here, just we are checking. So what we can do, we have to, here you can under source, you can see, guys, we have to make it anywhere here. Okay, and go ahead. Let's review and launch. Else what we can do, we can add more HTTP and HTTPS. Okay, and we can give the security name also, VPC security group. For our understanding, we have given the VPC security group name, and let's review and launch. Now we will select, that is 26 January. We are selecting this one. If you don't know how to launch the how to download and how to utilize that key pair, so please watch my previous video. In that I clearly mention all those things. Please watch it. Okay, so currently we have selected John 26. Okay, let's launch it. Okay, let's click on view instances. Now it is showing in, currently it is pending, right? So let's wait for running mode. Once it is in running, then we will proceed further. Now you can, guys, you can see it is in running mode now. Let's copy that public IP. Okay, I have copied that. Open the putty. Let's close this. Open the putty. Copy that IP and select your downloaded key pair. Okay, which is converted into the PPK. So I am selecting Jan 26 PPK file. So hope if you are not aware how to convert from PUM file to PPK file, please watch my previous video. In that I have clearly mentioned. Okay, open it. Open. Now for Linux machine, we have a default user called as EC2 user. Okay, give that EC2 user. Here is on. So now you can see, guys, we are successfully connected with this EC2 machine. Now we have to check in this machine whether internet is accessible or not, right? How we can check? 8.8.8.8. Now you can see, and we are successfully went to our internet, right? And we are connected. That's all. If you like my video, please subscribe, like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.